What in the world? This is beautiful.
JR 東日本をご利用くださいましてありがとうございました。
Today I'm running one of Tokyo's most scenic trails, the Okutama Michi. My plan was to start from Okutama Station and run all the way to Ogouchi Dam, a 10k route through the valley. I've been to Mitake area before, but this was my first time going beyond it. Along the way, I passed a small station called Kawaii, and honestly, the view was just as kawaii. The best part, you don't need a Shinkansen to get here. A simple local train from Tokyo will do the trick, and in about 2 hours, you'll find yourself surrounded by nature. Once I arrived at Okutama Station, finding the trail was easy. It starts about a 5-minute walk from the station, and there are signposts along the way to guide you. But if you ever get confused, just ask someone, where is Okutama Michi, and they'll point you in the right direction. Alright, so what does it say? Okay, I just did my Google translation, and it says, a black bear was spotted last year in July 2024, and they said, like, if you see any black bear around this area, please inform the authorities. So yeah, I hope nothing happens. This is what I heard. The bears here, they usually kind of avoid you rather than attacking you. So if you're with friends or you have a bell or something, make just a little noise so they know that you're coming. They'll just get out of the way. Konnichiwa. One of the manners in Japan is, like, people are usually kind of shy. They wouldn't really talk to you or say hello when you are, like, in your neighborhood or something. But there's a thing in the mountains, like whenever you are, like, hiking or running, people greet you. You can greet them, konnichiwa, and they'll reply konnichiwa. The trail is mostly concrete, so you could technically ride a mountain bike here, but be prepared for some rough sections. For running, shoes that handle both roads and muddy, rocky terrain are ideal. I wore my Adidas trail running shoes with Injinji socks. By the way, along the trail, you'll come across some abandoned houses. I always feel tempted to take a peek inside, but please don't do that. First, it's illegal, and second, it's risky. These buildings are old and unstable, and you definitely don't want to get hurt. Dang it! Oh goodness, look at this. This fell from somewhere there. If you ever decide to come here, watch out for falling rocks and trees. There are warning signs everywhere for hikers, so it's definitely something to be aware of. You'll also see protective nets in some areas, but at the end of the day, it's hard to control nature when it decides to act up. Make sure to check weather before heading out. Heavy rain can loosen tree logs, causing them to slide, and trust me, you don't want to be in their path. Stay safe and be mindful of your surroundings. After about 10 kilometers of trail running, I finally reached Ogouchi Dam, and the view was absolutely breathtaking. If hiking or trail running isn't your thing, don't worry. You can also take a bus that comes directly here or even drive. There's parking available. On my way back home, I hopped on a bus to the station. It was perfect workout, especially after celebrating my wife's birthday just 2 days before with afternoon tea at the Ritz-Carlton, where I completely indulged in all kinds of sugary treats. Hopefully I managed to burn off at least some of those calories.